Hello everyone, my name is Inamullah. I am from Anjuman Islam Abdul Azim Khatkate Secondary School. In this session, we are going to learn how to divide polynomial using synthetic division method. So synthetic division, there is a shortcut for long division as long as the divisor is A.X minus K. K is any constant or real number. So here we have a problem on our screen: 1x cube plus 6x square plus 8x minus 2 upon x plus 3. So basically numerator is one polynomial and denominator is another polynomial. So here we need to divide numerator by denominator, means we need to divide the polynomial given in the numerator by the polynomial given in the denominator. So first step which we need to do, we will set the divisor means denominator, which is highlighted on your screen. So we will set the divisor equals to 0. So as you can see on the right hand side of your screen, divisor is x plus 3, which is equals to 0. So when I'll bring this plus positive 3 to the right hand side, it will become negative 3. So we can consider value of x as minus 3. If our divisor is x plus 3, so x can be considered as minus 3. Next, we will write the value of x on the left side of this box. After that, we will list out all the coefficient, that is number in front of x, and the constant along the top. If a term is missing, put in a 0. So here we're going to take out all the coefficient from the dividend, and we will write and arrange all those coefficient in our box. So here the coefficients are 1, 6, 8 and minus 2, where the first term is 1x cube, so coefficient is 1. Second term is 6x square, so their coefficient is 6. Then 8 and minus 2. So these are the coefficients in the dividend. So we will arrange all the coefficient in this way. Since there is no missing term, because first term has power 3, second term has power 2, third term has power 1 and fourth term has power 0. So the dividend is in proper descending order of their powers. Next, we will bring first number below this line. After that, we're going to multiply minus 3 and 1, and we will write it in the next column. In next column we have 6, so we will write the product of minus 3 and 1 just below 6. So minus 3 and 1 will give us minus 3, so we can write this minus 3 just below 6, and then we will add these two, that is 6 plus minus 3 will give me positive 3. Again we will multiply negative 3 and this positive 3, and we will write in next column below 8. So negative 3 and positive 3 will give us negative 9, and when we add them we will get negative 1. Again we will follow the same procedure, and we will multiply negative 3 with negative 1, and we will write the product in the denominator of next column, or in the next column just below negative 2, and after adding it is 1. This is our remainder. So this one which is obtained in the last column, or the number which is obtained in the last column, is called remainder. And before remainder we have three terms, that is 1, 3 and minus 1. So I am talking about these three numbers, 1, 3, minus 1. These can be merged with the variable given in a polynomial. So we will have quotient. So put variable back as x. Since here we have three terms are there, so we can start giving power from 2. If there are three terms, we will consider 2. If there are four terms, we will consider 3. So we're going to eliminate 1. So this can be written as 1x square plus 3x minus 1. This is our quotient. So the answer is x square plus 3x minus 1. This is our quotient, plus 1 by x plus 3. This is our remainder. So when we write it in this way, this is actually final answer when we divide the given polynomial by the given binomial. This is your required result. Let us try another synthetic division. Same procedure. We will equate our divisor equals to 0. So x is 4. Now we can write 4 to the left side of this box or the table. Then we will take out all the coefficient. As you can see here, some coefficients are missing. For example, this first term has power 4. After this power 4, there must be cube, but the next term has power 2. So cube is missing. For cube, we will consider, for example, this x raised to 4 has coefficient 1. So we will take 1 here. Since cube is missing, so we can consider 0x cube. So this term has coefficient 0, so we will take 0 here. The next term is minus 4x square, where the coefficient is negative 4, and after square there must be 1. So there is no such term, so we can consider 0x raised to 1, that is 0x, where this coefficient 0 can be taken here, and the last term is 6, where the coefficient this can be taken at the end. So this way we can take 1 0 minus 4 0 6 as a coefficient, and we can arrange them in the box. Same procedure we will follow. Then we will multiply them, write it to the next denominator. Then we're going to add again 4 4s are 16, positive 16, negative 4 will give us positive 12. Again we will multiply 12 and 4 together, 48 plus 0, that is 48. 48 into 4 will give us 192, plus 6 will become 198. This is our remainder. Now as quotient we have four coefficient, 48, 12, 4, 1. So we will consider highest degree as 3. Again we will place x cube, x square and x on their places. So this is our final answer. Let us try one more example where the divisor is one of the factor of the given polynomial. The polynomial is 4x cubed plus 8x square minus 25x minus 50. This polynomial is dividend and divisor is x plus 2. So this is our divisor and it is one of the factor of this polynomial. So let us see how we can divide. Again same procedure we will follow. We will equate x plus 2 equals to 0, so it will become minus 2, and then we can take 4, 8, 25, 50, minus 50 on their places. Then bring 4 below this line. 4 into 2, that is minus 8, minus 8 plus 8, that is 0. Then we will multiply minus 2 and 0. It will give us 0 again. So 0 minus 25 together will give us minus 25 itself. Negative 2 and negative 25 will give us positive 50, and positive 50 and negative 50 will become 0. So here remainder is 0. So we can put x again. Since here we have three coefficients, so we can start from x raised to 2 and x. So 4x square plus 0x minus 25 can be written as 4x square minus 25. This 0x can be neglected because it has no value. Either you write it or not. It doesn't make any sense or any change in the original value of the quotient. So 4x square minus 25, this is our quotient, and x plus 2 is our divisor. So when we multiply them, that is x plus 2 into 4x square minus 25, they can retrieve again 4x cube plus 8x square minus 25 minus 50. So these are two factors of the given original polynomial, where x plus 2 is one of its factor, and when we divide the given polynomial by its factor, you can have 4x square minus 25 as your question. Hope it is clear to everybody. Thank you so much for watching our channel.